Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about Video Marketing Blaster Review with Richard Murphy. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Video Marketing Blaster Review with Richard Murphy. The newly launched Video Marketing Blaster Review with Richard Murphy can offer new and challenging opportunities for marketing your product online. Here is what the Video Marketing Blaster Review with Richard Murphy has to offer, just in case you have not heard of it before. If you have been considering making your own promotional video materials, then the answer is simple: you should make a promotional video materials that can effectively boost your sales. If you want to boost your sales, it should be relatively simple to achieve. So why do so many marketers continue to struggle with the most basic concept of online marketing? This is where the Video Marketing Blaster Review with Richard Murphy comes in. The Video Marketing Blaster Review with Richard Murphy will help get you to understand the unique features that YouTube offers that will boost your sales and the sales of those who listen to your video. This is a review of the new Video Marketing Blaster Review with Richard Murphy, which features an intro by YouTube's Tony Hiley and Kyle Wester, who discuss the idea behind the Video Marketing Blaster Review with Richard Murphy. In the introduction to the Video Marketing Blaster Review with Richard Murphy, Kyle Wester provides his opinion on the hype surrounding this particular marketing process and the kind of opportunity he has seen online. Wester notes that video marketing has captured a large share of the internet market, and that it represents the ideal way to promote your business. Hiley provides his thoughts on the current state of video marketing, noting that most businesses using this particular form of internet marketing are making small profit. He points out that not everyone can make profits from this method of internet marketing, noting that the majority of those who use this form of marketing have been burned in the past. Hiley emphasizes the need for a business owner to create videos to promote their products and services, and that the basic things needed to succeed in this industry include good knowledge, good craftsmanship, and careful planning. The Video Marketing Blaster Review with Richard Murphy offers an insightful explanation of the various features that can help your company succeed with video marketing. These features include marketing on YouTube and the introduction of new tools to help boost the effectiveness of video marketing. Richard Murphy also focuses on the importance of content writing and creative use of keywords, and draws a distinction between paid and free video marketing. There are two basic methods of marketing on YouTube. These are ad-based marketing and organic marketing. Ad-based marketing involves sending messages to individuals or companies that appear in the video that is submitted to YouTube. Because these videos are visible to other people, it is important to use quality material and to place keywords or phrases in your videos to help increase the number of views to your videos. Organic marketing on YouTube offers a sense of serendipity in the use of keywords and allows you to create your own content, your own videos, and allows the creation of your own unique videos. This is especially useful when you want to boost the effectiveness of your videos as opposed to simply flooding the site with videos that are submitted to YouTube. There are 4 different types of keywords or phrases that you can use to get started with your videos on YouTube. You can either use the video by link features to help you identify and upload the best video for your product or service. You can use the product search option in the YouTube search engine to find videos that are related to your brand and find a video related to your product or service. You can also search for your brand or services. You can also use the YouTube search page to find a video related to your business. You can also search for a specific keyword or phrase within the title, subtitle, and the comments area. If you do not have a specific keyword, a good choice is the word or phrase video or the word product in the title or the beginning of the video. The Video Marketing Blaster Review with Richard Murphy does a great job of explaining the various features of YouTube and why videos are so effective in online marketing. This video Marketing Blaster Review with Richard Murphy also makes some recommendations for you to use these videos as part of your overall marketing strategy. A review of Video Marketing Blaster. The creator of Video Marketing Blaster Review, Alex von Dusseldorp, is probably the most notable and prolific marketer in this online venture. His blog is popular among many young marketers as it caters to their needs and cater to their technical issues as well. It has over 5 million subscribers and over 300 million videos viewed on YouTube. This social network allows him to reach out to people who use different browsers across the globe. In this article, I will share with you 3 brilliant techniques that he has used to expand his business. Each time you'll learn something new about him. In his Video Marketing Blaster Review, he discusses on how he creates his videos to market his product or service. He will help you understand on what should be included in the content of the video. He will talk to you about some of the technicalities that have been mentioned in his Video Marketing Blaster Review. Before publishing, he checks the links on his account before he actually uploads them. For those of you who are still new on how to market online, this will give you an idea on what is necessary in this type of business. Also, it will teach you on how to avoid things that can be a hindrance to your online marketing. He also comments on how to edit the video content. Although the quality of the video is not as high as his other works, it will still provide you the information that you need. In his Video Marketing Blaster Review, he discusses on how to create a blast page. This blast page is what is used to drive traffic to your website. All the tips that he provided are things that you need to do if you want to make a blast page. As with any other business, if you want to grow in this type of marketing, then you need to have a blast page. On his Video Marketing Blaster Review, he discusses on how to market using a blast page. He also shares his views on the right way to market with the click of the mouse. He will give you step-by-step instructions on how to market with a blast page. Once you know what to do, then you will be able to market for success. In conclusion, I would like to recommend this Video Marketing Blaster Review to you. It is packed with useful information. A Video Marketing Blaster Review will tell you how to market your business. If you have recently begun to learn how to promote your business, you will want to look into Video Marketing Blaster Review. Video marketing is a great way to get your name out there and have a means to communicate with your customers. If you do not have a website, you can still make sure that customers are able to find you by using video as your mode of communication. There are several reasons why you should take a look at the Video Marketing Blaster Review of a service you are considering using. Most people want to spend less money on a website than they would to print out brochures and spending hours going through them. After all, who has the time to be out in the store for hours just to try to sell a product or service? Not only does it cost more to run a business, but it costs more to talk to people rather than to go out to meet them. But the people that watch your Video Marketing Blaster Review are actually spending time on the internet to purchase a product or service. When you use video marketing, you can send out an easy message without spending hours going through brochures and trying to get your point across. Now that you have read about the various advantages of video marketing, you can see why it makes sense to take a look at the Video Marketing Blaster Review. It is important to know how to use video marketing properly so that you do not waste your time trying to teach it to your customers instead of getting the best results. Before you get started promoting any business, you should research which is the most effective way to go about doing so. You may be surprised at the number of businesses that have video marketing products available for you to try. For example, a local business that sells fishing gear may have their own unique video marketing software which is able to help them sell more fishing equipment. If you go to one of their stores, you will see that they have a variety of fishing tackle that they offer as well as other fishing-related products. When you use this type of software, you can choose to market your business in a process online or offline. The reason why many businesses are offering this service is because you will be able to get your name out there. While you read the Video Marketing Blaster review of this software, you will see that you can easily create an email campaign to inform your customers. In fact, when you find the time to create a video marketing campaign, you will discover that it is easier to sell products than to contact customers. With the use of this video marketing software, you will be able to market your business in many different ways. You can take your videos and make them available to anyone who wants to view them. If you have any ideas for marketing strategies, you can record some video marketing bulletins and post them online for your customer to view. When you utilize this type of technology, you can keep your customers informed about the new products that you have. For example, you can create a Video Marketing Blaster review of your newest fishing tackle product and then go out to a field and put it on display for your customers to see. Your customers will appreciate that you took the time to create a video marketing video of your business and will want to become a part of your business. If you want to get the most out of your advertising budget, you should take a look at the Video Marketing Blaster review. Learn what types of videos are best for your company's marketing campaign, then you can decide which way is best for you. Thanks for watching my video about Video Marketing Blaster review with Richard Murphy. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.